If you guys have a 2005 Chevy Express 3500 cargo van, chances are pretty good that your door fasteners use this system of door fastening and not this system. I had some difficulty finding the right fastener because my van was used, the door panel wasn't properly fastened, and when I did remove it, I noticed that these weren't even on the doors, the inserts. The plugs were there, and some of them weren't even the correct plugs. They were mixed in with some of these. And what made it more complicated was when I searched for the correct fasteners on Amazon, I was misled to different styles. But on the 2005 Chevy Express 3500 van that I have, and I believe the newer models, I believe they switched over to this style of door fastener. And just so there's no confusion, I pulled up the Amazon page, which appears to be frozen, but no worries. You can kind of see what the page is supposed to look like. They go for $13.35 for a 15 pack. It's labeled GM door panel clip Cobalt, HHR, and full size fan. And the seller is Clips and Fasteners Inc. Looks like it has 5-star reviews. Whatever. They work fine. Quality seems to be pretty good. They have a little rubber gasket on the surface there, the mating surface of both the door panel and the door itself. So let me just show you what they look like when they are on. Right now I'm doing a little project here, lighting for my door panels. I gotta get a knob for this. This is gonna be a dimmer for a map light that's on a swivel, and I also have the heated seats there. So anyway, this is what they look like when they're on the door panel. And this is what they look like when they are on the door. So, again, this is the correct style fastener if you have a late model, or, well, I should really say a 2005 Chevy Express 3500